the woman she's becoming.
Wow!
And of course,
Kailin!
University of Mindanao!
Wow!
Ready naman ang mom?
Yes!
Then please help me give a warm welcome to our Kapuso Queen, Miss Caroline Alcantara! Is this your first time here in Davao?
No, I've been here for a couple times now.
But it's your first time here at the University of Mindanao.
Yes.
Wow.
At grabe yung energy dito!
Grabe. Alright, so we're so excited to have you here today. Thank you for joining us for talk about something really close to our hearts, the power to evolve. So are you ready to dive in?
I am ready.
Guys, kamay mo lang wa siya'y tatsa. Perfect! Ayos siya na! Wow! Alright, so let's start with something light. You've grown up in front of the camera, but people are also getting to know a different side of you. A young woman finding her place. So what are you currently working on these days? Not just professionally, but personally.
Well, personally, I might sound repetitive, but it's always self-love and inner peace, and also having boundaries. Yun yung wino-work on ko talaga ngayon, because I do believe that we need that in our daily lives, and it can affect how much you love yourself sa mga decisions mo in life.
So self-love.
Yes.
I love that. It's really inspiring to hear that you're growing not just in your career, but also personally. Now, today's theme is breaking the mold, and you've done that in so many ways. Actually, I'm a fan since Annalisa days. Natanaw ba mga Annalisa guys? So, what does that personally mean to you? Or like, was there a moment when you decided to stop doing what people expected and start doing what felt true to you?
Well, siguro ang isang ko masasabi, kapag sinasabihan akong trying hard. Nasabihan na ba kayo na parang ang trying hard mo naman?
Yes!
And some people, they take it against me. Na parang ako naman, at least I am trying, you know? You can say whatever you want. At least may na-achieve ako. And I'm trying my best. Kasi ever since bata pa lang ako, yun yung sinasabi sa akin palagi. You need to think harder, act harder, try harder. And kapag sinasabi sa akin yun, if you try hard and if you try harder in life, you will achieve something and you will get whatever that you want in life. So, guys, let's all try harder.
Try hard. So what if people will say that you're trying hard? At least you're trying.
It's a positive thing.
Diba?
It's a positive thing now.
Yeah, I've actually watched a lot of your interviews about your humble beginnings, and wow, ang layo na lang narating ng isang Caroline Alcantara. That's so amazing. That's such a powerful shift. And speaking of change, we all go through phases of growth. At what point did you realize that you are no longer the younger version of yourself, that you've really evolved?
Well, with me kasi, I'm still in a work in progress. I do believe that I'm still growing as a person and I'm still young. And lagi kong make sure talaga that I am a better version of myself every single day. I'm a better version of myself than yesterday, you know, or last year. And may nabasa akong quote na you've grown into someone who would have protected you as a child. And that's the most powerful decision you've ever made in life. Because every single day, every single decision, professionally or personally, I would love for the little Kailin to be proud of me. So that's always my goal.
So you always keep on learning.
Yes, and keep on trying hard.
Yeah. Dalawang lessons na yun. Learning and keep on trying harder. I love